Hi again. Hi everyone. Welcome back with the fifth puzzle in this additional a binary puzzle. And what kind of binary is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there's always 4 ones and 4 O's. So let's get started. Alright, a double one here and O, there and O. Between two O's comes in 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. Double one, here and O, then O. We have now 1, 2, 3, 4 O, so the rest are ones. Double O, here and 1, then 1. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here and O, then O. Double O, here and 1, then 1. Double one, here and O, then O. Double O, here and 1, then 1. 1, 2, 3. And this is number 4. 4 ones in the column. Between two ones comes an O. And then I need to compare, I think. Yeah. We have 1, 2, 3, 3 ones. If I place the fourth one here, then we have here 3 O's. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Same like here. 3 ones. If I place the fourth one here, then we have 3 O's. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Okay. Then we have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. Double 1, here and O, there and O. Between two O's comes in 1. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. Double 1, here and O, then O. And then we need to compare because I cannot go further anymore. No. So, and now we can compare. Here. This column and the last column. We have 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, empty box, empty box. So I need to switch those two numbers, otherwise I will have identical rows if I placed a 1 here and an O there. So I need to switch them. This should be an O and this should be a 1. We have here double 1, here an O, there an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O, between two O's comes an 1. Yes, finish in 4 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku, binary Sudoku. You like this? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. Download the PDF file so you can make this by yourself. or solve it by yourself. Thank you for watching. I will see you in a minute with the last Sudoku, a tectonic one, this one. So see you later. Thank you for watching and bye bye.